Hey, this is Don at DWM Grows. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little more about organic gardening. Let's find out what today's tips are. These are the Cowpots that I said I've been using. They rot down. They're made of cow manure. They rot down into the ground supposedly really quick. So what we're doing is a little experiment. Filled with dirt, we're going to put it in here just like you would plant a plant. Cover it back in with dirt. Get out of there, rock. Cover that baby all up. Maybe a little bit more in there. We'll mark it with that rock so we know where it's at, and we're going to give it a little bit of water. Now we're going to give it a pretty good soaking for about a minute or so, and we're going to check it back in I don't know, we'll say about 4 or 5 days, 6 days, and we're going to see if this pot is starting to disintegrate into the ground. We'll see how good their claims are. About a week and a half ago, we buried a Cowpot. A couple hours after the video, I buried a Jiffy pot too, just to see the difference between the two brands and whether they break down in the dirt. So we're going to take a look right now, and this is a rosemary plant that I put in that Cowpot. So we're just going to dig some of this dirt up. Alright, let's see. Well, I see part of the Cowpot. There it is. Okay, well, I guess they're pretty right. Look at that. There's not much left of that. It's almost like dirt. It just falls right apart. Okay, so I would say in about a week and a half, we're going to dig this up just a little bit more so we can see it. Alright, there you can see the side of the pot. You see it right in here. So it definitely is deteriorating. Look how easily it's crumbling. Oh, yeah, definitely. That's good. That's what you want a pot to do. So now we're going to go take a look at the Jiffy pot. Now I put the Jiffy pot up here. Didn't put anything in it. So we can just dig the whole thing up. There we go. There's the Jiffy pot. Now let's take a look at that. In the ground for about a week and a half. It's starting to deteriorate a little bit. It's not crumbling in my fingers like the other pot did. Here, we'll grab a piece of the other pot and show you. Now here's the Cowpot. Now watch when I just rub this together. It just crumbles. Here's the Jiffy pot. Rub it together. No, it's still pretty hard. I mean, it comes apart, but I definitely like the Cowpots better. These things are still probably take twice as long for these to rot down than the Cowpots. So experiment proven. Cowpots are pretty good. Jiffy pots are deteriorating, but not as quick as the Cowpots. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Tune in next time for more organic gardening tips. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions, please check out my webpage, dwmgrows.com. Thank you again.